Hey friends, this is Atif Well, and welcome to the update on Zcash. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Zcash first broke out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after that, it broke out another smaller falling wedge pattern. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this smaller falling wedge pattern, we had a nice pump, and for a while, the price and also broke out this long-term resistance as well. That was at $50. But again, while retesting the previous resistance and support, the pricing could not save this level as support and drop down at this next long-term support of $36.50. And you can see that this $36.50 has been previously working as a resistance here, almost as a resistance here, and support here, and support here. And now again, it worked as a very, very nice support. And now the pricing is geared up. And now it is about to hit this long-term resistance of $50 once again. And I would also like to show you once again this huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of July 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost more than 24% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Zcash that I shared on 2nd of July 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish garland move that Zcash completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. The buying's on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied more than 24%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Zcash. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this falling wedge pattern. By the way, the resistance of the previous falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that it has been moving inside this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the previous resistance of the wedge was working as a support for this recent falling wedge pattern. We had a long spike to the downside here and here, but the pricing could not break down this support. And now finally, we have broken out the resistance of this wedge, and the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $80. And by the way, from $80 to $100, we have another very, very long-term resistance on that has been recently working as a resistance on here, and support on here for several weeks or months, and resistance on here in the month of July 2020. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Zcash. And right now, the price line is geared up after testing this long-term support of $36.50. That was previously working as a very, very strong resistance here for several weeks or months, and support here in the month of November 2022 as well. And in case of breaking out this resistance on, I'm expecting an imminent move up to next major resistance that is at $216. That was previously working as a very, very strong resistance here for almost 2 or 3 weeks. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Zcash. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $400. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.